If you would love to see how I achieve this beautiful colored mini twist with added extensions, then please do keep on watching. Qvr sends me their Afro kinky bulk extension in color 4 and 30. Just look at the blend, you guys. It's giving golden brown. So yeah, that's the colors I used in achieving today's mini twist hairstyle. So I just went straight into parting my hair into sections that I was comfortable with working, and then I just started to braid. And you guys, I used this edge control that I discovered recently. Is called the Foisten edge control hair wax. This is what it looks like, and it's so good. Trust me, it works really well on natural hair. So yeah, I use that to clean my pads. Then I start to braid. So let me show you guys how I add the Afro kinky extensions to my natural hair, okay, for a seamless blend. Okay, so what I do is take a section of the Afro kinky extension and then grip my natural hair. So as I'm gripping, I divide my natural hair into 2 different sections. Okay, then I add 1 section of the natural hair to the Afro kinky bulk extension. So once I'm done with that, we have 3 separate strands of hair in total. 1 strand of hair being the natural hair, another strand being Afro kinky, and then the last strand being Afro kinky with natural hair mixed together. So I do that, I braid 3-step braids, and then I start twisting. Before I start twisting, you guys are going to see what I do before I start twisting with this particular section. Okay, because I talked too fast and then you guys couldn't see it in the first part. So before I start twisting, the natural hair extension that I left by itself, I divide it again into 2 sections. Then I add it to the Afro kinky that doesn't have natural hair in it, and then the Afro kinky that already had a little section of the natural hair. So just like this, see what I'm doing. Then I start twisting. So you see, you can see the natural hair in both. So this helps for a seamless blend. I hope you guys understand what I just explained. Yes, I hope it's very understandable. So look at it. Just look at the blend. Look at the golden color. Just look at the hair close to my skin. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. And also, if you guys want a video on how I section my hair or how I part my hair to braid, please do let me know. Okay. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll come in if I have to explain anything, but for now, enjoy the rest of the video. Do you guys see the progress we've made so far? Yes, you guys, I'm not going to lie to you. This took me a couple of hours. Like, it took hours to finish. Because you guys can see how tiny my section and patterns are. They're very small. Yeah, I wanted it that way. Okay, so yeah, if you've been wanting to try mini twists with extensions, then this is your sign. Okay, this one from Qvr is 100% unprocessed Afro kinky human hair extension. It feels very soft. It is weightless. It doesn't weigh. Like, it doesn't weigh. When this thing is on your head, you won't feel anything. It's a protective style, a very low manipulation protective hairstyle. Trust me, you don't feel anything when this thing is on your head. You don't feel like you're carrying hair on your head. Unlike some extensions that when you use them, like, you feel you feel the weight. But this particular one, no, you don't feel any weight. You don't feel like you're carrying anything on your head. So I feel like it's a very good protective hairstyle for us to try as natural hair girlies, and even people will relax, they can also try this hairstyle because it's twist, right? Yes, it's twist, so we can all try twist. At this point, like, I was so happy. You guys, if you were close to me, you would have seen the joy in my heart, the joy I felt when I realized I was almost done braiding this thing. I was very happy. I was extremely happy because it's not easy. You can see the amount of braids, the amount of braids I have on my hair right now. That's a lot of braids, you guys. But yeah, it's definitely worth it because I absolutely love the end result. I love this hair so much. I love how it looked. I loved how it felt. Like, it was weightless. That's the biggest advantage of this hair. It doesn't weigh. It doesn't weigh. So in case you are interested in purchasing this hair, I would leave the link in my bio so you can check it out in case you would want to purchase this hair. And also, please do not forget to follow my channel. Okay, I promise to bring you guys more hair content, amazing hair inspo. Trust me, you will love it here. You will love it here. Okay, so after I was done, I dipped it into hot water and then applied mousse all over it, leaving conditioner, all of that. I trimmed the ends and the final results, you guys. Just look at it. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share to people that there's a new channel on here where we post hair tutorials, hairstyles for you and I to both try. Okay, look at the hair, look at the parts, look at how clean the parts are. Trust me, you will love it on this channel. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.